Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about that how we are going to detect the browser language. Okay, let's take a look. So in this application we are using the i18next browser language detector, which help us to detect the language. Okay, so let's take a look. So currently my browser language is E in English. Okay, now go to the settings. Here I'll go with my language, change it. Okay, currently it will not reflect until or unless I restart the browser, because it needs to reset or something. Open the language is changed now. If I just go there, and here you can see that the Punjabi is there and PA is text language, right? Again, if I go to just settings, and again I'll change this one to my original language, and again I'll just close this browser and comes with this one, and here you can see the language is changed, that is in US. How? Let's have a look. So first of all, we have a language detector component. Okay, so i18.language, we have set the language. Okay, then which will detect the language, right? How? Let's have a look. So this is the language where we are just showing the language part, right? Next, i18js, here we have a language detector we are importing. Okay, and where we are setting dot use language detector. So whatever, this will help you to get the language, right? And now you are going to set that language. Okay, and what are the detection parameter? That navigator, HTML path, and subdomain, and in the caches if it stores in the local storage or the cookie, right? So this will help me to detect the browser language. So, and if I go and just check the package also, let's take a look of the package documentation. Here we have this package documentation. Let's read it. Okay, the number of downloads pretty much good. Okay, so you have to install this package like this and import that language to director like this. And how you can use i18next.use language detector. Okay, and support, if you want to send a supported language, you can also send. Okay, so this is the main thing which we have done the same thing right over here. So here you can see that i18.use language detector dot use init react 18. Okay, and so in this one you can pass the resources, you can pass the support language, depends on it. Okay, so this is the order also, query string, hash, cookie look. So the order from where the user language should be detected, so you can pass that one. So I've already passed. Maybe the session store is the some of the browsers store, right? So these are the things, right? So mine part is like caches I have added, local storage in the cookie. And one more thing, order I've already added, right? HTML and everything over here. Here you can navigator, HTML type, path, subdomain. So from this I have added this one. Okay, so I hope you understand. There is another example. No, this is what we have used. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.